Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've last posted here. I think it's been almost a month, if not a little more. I actually got a new job recently, so it's been taking up a little bit of my time and it's been kind of hard to manage my YouTube channel, my work, and then just my life. So I'm trying to kind of balance everything and start to slowly get back into the hang of things. But I'm here to show you guys my Ipsy Glam Bag. So basically for the month of April, the theme is about being confident in whatever it is that you prefer. So whether it be natural makeup, no makeup, or a bold, full face, whatever it is, whatever makes you feel confident, that's what this month is all about. So I did get 2 items in here that I'm really excited about. I'm not sure if this only comes with the PR boxes, but they sent me a bucket hat and it says Force of Nature and it is so cute. I mean, I don't know if the bucket hats look good on me. I've never really worn one, but I have these big clips on right now because I couldn't find bobby pins, so I can't put it on. But that is one that I received. They also sent me an Ipsy umbrella. This is really cute as well, so I'm really excited. I always love when they send like little surprises like that. I think it's really sweet, so thank you Ipsy for that. So I'm first going to jump into the glam bag, and I'm not sure, so I think I got 6 things in my glam bag this month. I'm not sure if one of these items does belong in the Glam Bag Plus because it was sent to me like this, so it was just kind of everything was out of the box for the Glam Bag Plus, which is usually how it is, but I'm not sure if maybe they accidentally put an extra item in here. But either way, I'm just going to show you guys everything that was sent to me in this bag. So the first thing that I got in here are these facial radiance pads by the brand First Aid Beauty, and I've actually tried their stuff in the past and it's really good. One thing that I really like about their brand is that it's really good if you have sensitive skin, and then these do help to exfoliate, tone, and brighten the skin. So I'm excited to try these. And then another thing that I received in here is the Lauren Conrad. This is actually a lip gloss. It's really cute. I'm actually going to show you guys a little bit. I have a lip oil on right now, but I'll show you guys on my hand what it looks like. It's like a really nice shimmer color. It looks really natural, kind of like a little natural color, and with a little bit of shimmer. Let me just put some on. It's really cute. Adds just a little bit of color. And then this is in the shade Dawn. Okay, so moving on, we also got this Thrive Cosmetics Lip Fuller Lip Liner. This is in the shade Purple Plum. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice plum shade. I don't want to swatch it just because I don't use everything that I get. I actually try to give some of it away, so I'm planning to give this away. But I do want to mention that it does have a little sharpener at the back, so that it's easy for you to keep that same pointed shape. So I have 3 things left in my glam bag. This is a Nomad Cosmetics highlighter. This is in the shade Kiss of Sun. This, I opened it and it is really nice. Let me show you guys. This is such a gorgeous highlight. I like it that it's almost like a champagne highlight. I don't like highlights that are too like too on the gold side. So let me show you guys what this looks like. That is super pretty. So up next, I got this Dr. Botanicals Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. I actually can't smell it because I was sick and my scent went away, so I can't smell just yet. So I'm actually saving this for when my scent does come back. That way I can smell it because I love watermelon products and yeah, I can't smell it. So I'm going to be saving this. But lastly, I got this Turmeric Vitamin C Clay Mask, and this is by the brand My Skinny Mask. So this I will be using in combination with the face pads that I got. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my glam bag. Again, I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, but this glam bag is $12 a month. So here is the Glam Bag Plus, and then this one is $25 a month. Again, the same theme. I really like how these have this little closure here, so if you want to actually use these sometimes to put my lunch in, so it's really cute. But I'm going to show you guys what I got in here. So the first thing that I got in my Glam Bag Plus is this shampoo bar. This is by, I believe the brand is called SB or Soapbox. This is an argan oil. It's going to control and soften the hair. It does say in the back that it is, what is this? It said, so it's highly acclaimed for taming frizz and promoting soft to the touch hair. And it's, again, just like a little, it's like a little bar of soap, but it's shampoo for your hair. And then also in the Glam Bag Plus, I received this Little Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for oily and combination skin. So it is a moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. So I don't know if this has a scent to it because I can't smell it, but it's a very thin consistency. It feels very, very thin, and a little bit of this goes a really long way. So it doesn't feel greasy at all. It just feels like it absorbs into my skin, but it does feel very hydrated. And then one of the other things that I received in here was the Victoria Beckham Future Lash Mascara. This I haven't tried, but I did open it, and oh my gosh, you guys, the wand, I think like I'm obsessed because it's just so thin, and I love mascara wands that are really thin because you can just get right into the lower lashes. I always usually wear false lashes, like today I'm only wearing like the little corner ones, but I love to try these out on my lower lashes. I always use mascara on my lower lashes whenever I do a full face of makeup. It feels very expensive and heavy, so I like this one a lot. I'm really excited to try this out. And then the last thing that I received in my glam bag was this eyeshadow palette. So this is a panochromatic eyeshadow palette, and I believe the brand is called Belle and Argent. This brand is new to me. I haven't heard of it before, but I did open it, and oh my gosh, this palette is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. First of all, just the packaging itself is super sleek, and just, I mean, my fingerprints are on there, but it looks really, really nice. It just has that very expensive feel to it. And when you open it, the colors in here are beautiful as well. I mean, this is just the perfect eyeshadow palette for an everyday look, and even if you want to do something a little more smoky, you can do that as well. You have the colors for it. I love that it has some mattes and some shimmers. I know that my sister's probably going to watch this video and be like, can I have that eyeshadow palette? And I'm going to have to be like, no sis, you can't. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that is everything that I received in my glam bag and my glam bag plus. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope to see you guys very, very soon. I hope that I get my life together, and then I'll put out some more content a little more consistently like I was in the past couple months. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.